Here we've got Samsung Galaxy S22 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, just reach settings, then find and select wallpaper and style, and you can reach my wallpapers gallery or lock screen wallpaper services. As you wish, I will go to my wallpapers. Now just pick the one that you would like to apply, for example this one, then decide if it's for home, lock screen or both of them. I will pick home screen, and this is how it will look on your home screen. So just click on set on home screen if you want to, and that's it. Then you can change the color palette. So here we've got the display, how it will look like, and also you can apply palette to up icon if you want to, but I will do it. So let me choose this one, or maybe that one. Oh, let's go with this one. Then tap on apply, and that's it. As you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering your Samsung screen now. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.